Hello friends, my name is Elena. I'm Ecosystem Lead at Ton Foundation, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to get marketing or business development support in the ecosystem, access Ton Accelerator and Ton Ventures venture capital, as well as participate in different local events that Ton Society organizes inside the ecosystem. Let us start with marketing assistance, which is definitely one of the things that you must be expecting most from the ecosystem. So in Ton, everything is very simple. You need to have a functional product, at least a first prototype or an MVP, to unlock different opportunities that Ton marketing team can actually grant you, right? So as long as we see that your product functions well, it has at least some product traction, users love it, users share the positive feedback, we're definitely happy to spread the word about something that you're building in the ecosystem. So once again, the eligibility criteria are to have a functional Telegram mini app or a web app, to be willing to present some major news and give a very clear value to the end user, and then comply with Telegram mini app standards that you can find in a separate guide that we prepared for Telegram mini app developers in the Ton ecosystem. Let's now move forward and explore the different formats of marketing assistance that we can potentially give to your team. The first one is obvious and everyone wants it, to get a post in our official channels on Telegram or on Twitter or in a Ton blog. So the numbers of Ton official channels are rising every day, which is definitely something to be very proud of. So we have more than 6 million followers in different Telegram channels and chats. We have more than 2.3 million Twitter followers, and we have Ton blog, which is essentially a collection of useful resources for users, for builders, and for other Ton projects, in which you can definitely take part as well. We're also happy to help you set up an advertising campaign and even give you Telegram ads credits so that you can test this marketing channel starting with a relatively small sum of something around $1,000 and then scale it if we see that the conversion rate is relatively good. And then the third point here is definitely leveraging our KOL network. So there's a list of KOLs that specifically work with Ton and Ton projects. We're happy to give you access to this database so that you can kick off dialogue with relevant influencers and start promoting your project through this very potential marketing channel. If you're building a Telegram mini app, you must definitely be listed in Telegram App Center, which is the main catalog of mini apps built on Ton and other chains, as well as Web2 Telegram mini applications. To get listed there, you should just comply with their requirements and access the bot to submit all the necessary materials and information about your product. There are also other catalogs of Ton decentralized applications, such as Ton app, for example, which is totally worth considering. To activate and engage your community on Ton, you should definitely look into different Quest platforms that operate inside the Ton ecosystem, such as Community Bot, Bro Contest Bot, JVolt, Tbook, and many others that are also joining the ecosystem very soon. So if you need an introduction to any of the teams, you can also reach out to us. But generally speaking, they are quite accessible and very open to kick off a dialogue with you regarding your potential marketing campaign with them. And last but not least, I would definitely recommend you consider being listed in different Ton self-custody wallets, such as, for example, TonKeeper, MyTon Wallet, or Ton Hub, which also provide amazing discoverability and marketing opportunities for Ton decentralized application. If you've successfully built your MVP and have managed to get some initial user traction, then you should definitely talk to Ton Accelerator and Ton Ventures for potential incubation, acceleration, and fundraising opportunities. Those are two separate teams. So Ton Accelerator launches different cohorts of projects of a very limited number, where they provide customized support depending on what you guys currently need, as well as general program with a lot of knowledge and insights about the ecosystem. Ton Ventures is an independent entity that essentially invests in Ton projects and that is also happy to make you all the necessary introductions to partnering VCs and business angels. If you want to dive deeper into the Ton ecosystem and get to know other builders and teams, probably people from Ton Society or Ton Foundation, you should definitely have a look at what Ton Society is currently offering. So depending on your current location or your current interest, you can take part in all those different amazing activities that they usually organize, including hackathons, boot camps, local meetups, and other formats. So on the screen, you can see a list of geographies that Ton Society currently already covers, but the list will definitely soon be extended.